Ahee, amukela ka channel ya hina ya Insight Central. Namuntlha hi ta va hi kha hi vulavula hi Madlanga Commission of Inquiry, laha Metro Police Department Chief Yolanda Faro a nyiketa vumbhoni. Hi ta va hi langutisi eka xivutiso xin'we ntsena lexi a nga vutisiwa xona hi Commissioner Baloyi. Yolanda Faro u vutisiwe ku swi nga teka nkarhi wo leha ku fika kwihi ku ma-security lava tirhaka ka department ya Tshwane va va ximfumo ku va va tirha eka department ya Tshwane. Laha a nga hlamula leswaku swi nga teka malembe ma 6 kumbe 7 hi ku i process, swi ngo languteka ingaku a hi process mara swona i process, swi teka nkarhi. Laha a nga ya mahlweni a hlamuseta ku mara loko budget yo va yi ri kona swi nga hatlisa ku swi endleka. Xivutiso hi lexi a vutisiwe xona, swi nga teka nkarhi wo leha ku fika kwini ku ri ma-security lava tirhaka ka government ma tirhaka hi private security companies ku ma va ma wela ximfumo aka government? U hlamule ku swi nga teka 6 ku ya ka 7 wa malembe. Laha a nga tlhela a ku mara loko ku ri na budget swi nga hatlisa. Hi ku ya hi mina nhlamulo leyi a ni yimi na yona or a ni yi twisisi hi ku ya ni confuse. Loko a ku swi nga teka 6 ku ya ka 7 wa malembe ku ri kini ku na ndlela yin'wanyana yo koma yo swi hatla swi endleka, why a hlamuli 6 to 7? I yini xi nga ta va kha xi endliwa hi 6 to 7 years? A hi tweni mbulavulo loko a hlamula.
Can you just explain how it was conceived and how it has worked out or not worked out?
Commissioner Baloyi, there's two scenarios here. If you have built your in-house capacity, it goes with your pension fund, it goes with your medical aid, it goes with all that. You must make sure that you have your resources, whether it's uniform, whether it is the vehicles, and you must make sure that they're also trained in up to a certain level. So the municipality can, if you look at one officer, you will actually maybe need 4, if you look at the system and everything. So you need to make sure that it's a gradual type of, to insource it takes time. It is not easy. It might look easy, but it's not easy. If you look at the current 1,271, it was already in-house capacity was built to insource in 2019. At the moment, but we are still busy with the training, and then every year we make sure they get certain benefits. So you need to have a proper plan in place to make sure that you, even if it's small amounts, I've already drafted a plan how I want to eventually insource, and it will take plus minus 6 years to 7 years to completely insource. It can be quicker, it all depends on budget permitted. However, I just took a plan that is, but if more budget becomes available, it can be quicker. And also the training of you need to train, you need to give uniform. It is really, the cost will be a little bit more than what we have at the moment. But the long term, as you see, I would prefer to have in-house capacity than to sit with the issues that we're sitting with at the moment. to stay away from tenders,